Hello YouTube. Heading out to eat over to Robinson, Illinois, over to Yinching. I've been there before. I think y'all seen it before. If not, go back and check my other videos. You'll find it. Al Capone's house, I think, is the title of that one. So I get on Craigslist every now and then looking for, you know, just side jobs, something to make a quick $50, you know, $100, you know, whatever. And I found one the other day. Today's Saturday, so I found one like 4 or 5 days ago. And he's like, well, I need some, you know, yard work cleaned up, some plants potted, and, you know, just some pretty easy stuff, I figured. I don't usually work Saturdays. You know, that's my day to go riding or get my yard work done or, you know, get my chores done around the house. So, he's like, well, I'll give you $100. I'm thinking, man, this is some pretty nasty work. So I get there and it's like totally overgrown. You can't even see the damn fence, which is fine, you know. So I get the old trusty electric chainsaw out, start cutting. I tell you what, it's like 89 degrees today. It got hotter than shit outside. But on the plus side, I sure got tan today. So nothing wrong with that. So I'm sitting there, it's like 7:30 right now, which is 6:30 in Illinois. So I'm sitting there thinking, you know, I'm freaking hungry. I'm ready to go eat something. And, you know, daggone, you know, nothing sounds good. So I figure I'll head to Yinching. I don't usually take off from the house quite this late at night. Yeah, late at night, 7:30. But I don't usually leave the house quite this late. You know, for one, right through here, there's just a bunch of deer, like all the time. And deer hunting season is like right around the corner. So they're like starting to move already. So it's still light enough out that I can see just fine, but the trip home, definitely got to keep an extra eyeball out for them. I am friggin' hungry. Have I already said that? I am freaking hungry. Al Capone's house. Yeah, that was really quick. Well, I'll go ahead and end this video here. By the time I get out, it's going to be so freaking dark, you're not going to be able to see anything. So, just got to Yinching in Robinson, Illinois. I think it's actually labeled a Mandarin restaurant. But it's freaking good. So, I'll go ahead and end this video here. Hope you enjoyed watching. I hope it was somewhat entertaining. And, don't forget, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Moto Amino, Snapchat, Idiot Savant 71. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you click that little bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Because YouTube has turned all that crap off again. So make sure you hit that bell. That way when I stick a video up, you get a little ding on your phone. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a brilliant evening. Or day, or morning, whatever the case may be.